Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, today I'm going to use the rest of my chicken pot pie concoction. Okay, I'll be making chicken noodle soup. First I'm going to start with my egg noodles. And I'll be using some chicken broth instead of water. And because I'm adding more stuff, I'll have to re-season it. Even though this mixture was seasoned perfectly for my pot pies. So I'll just use the rest, well, some sweet basil, citrus, and garlic rub. And I got this from Amazon. And I'm using the Italian brothers. I'm using some parsley flakes, some oregano leaves, and some basil. And black pepper. Okay, so I'm going to re-angle this camera, so let's get started. And I'll be cooking on my stove. Since I got my new cookware, I'm using my stove more. So I'm using my Thyme, that's Thyme, Thyme and Table, gold and black cookware. And this is where this looks inside. This is what I liked about it. And it's very easy to clean. It has the gold handles. And there's one thing I don't like about this cookware. I believe cookware in this day and age, the handle should be heat safe. They shouldn't get hot. So, but I still like it. So I'm going to use the rest of this box of chicken stock. I believe each box is 4 cups. Oh, this is a new box here. I'm just going to use the whole thing. So this is about 4, maybe 5 cups altogether of chicken broth. Okay, that's it. I'm going to bring this to a boil. And then I'll throw the noodles in there. Just regular white egg noodles. I'll put top on it so it can come to a boil faster. And I will be back. It started boiling before I knew it. I was in the other room. Okay, I'll put the noodles in here. Okay, this concoction has shredded chicken, corn, mixed vegetables, and potatoes. Okay. I should put some butter or something in this water so it don't foam. You know what? I'm going to use that whole bag of noodles. I ain't got to worry about it. I need some more chicken stock. So, I had 5 cups of liquid in here. So I said I've used about 7 cups of liquid. I'll put this in here now. going to season it. Let me taste this. Oh yeah, it needs some seasoning. Okay. It's the only thing that has salt in it. Putting in my parsley flakes, and I don't even know what flavor parsley adds. But it adds color. My black pepper, which I love. Basil. And oregano. Okay. These noodles are still gonna get thicker. That's good. Let this come to a boil or simmer. Okay, I'm gonna add some more soup to my soup. It's smelling so good. Got some more cream of chicken soup. You can add whatever you like to your soup. Oh, this smells so good, y'all. It really does. And I ain't just saying that because y'all can't smell it. It does, for real. It needs a little zing. Crushed red pepper, just a little. What else I got up in here? Celery seed. Oh yeah. You just need a little bit of celery seed. If you use too much, the whole thing will be bitter. It's got 1/8 of a teaspoon. Or a pinch. I just call that a pinch. Put that up, refrigerator. So this is done. The noodles are done, so the whole thing is done. Still need some salt. Okay, let me get the real salt instead of this mixture. Here's that pink salt. Got some Himalayan pink salt we put in here. Quarter of a teaspoon. Okay, just let that simmer a little. And it's done. I'm going to simmer for a couple minutes, then I'm going to fix me a bowl. Turn this heat down. I'll be back when I'm dishing up a bowl full. Okay, y'all, I just want to show y'all what else I added to it. I added a few shakes of hot sauce. I added some Worcestershire sauce. Just sprayed a few sprays. And another can of whole kernel corn. Okay. Nice and creamy. Smells good. Chicken noodle soup.
I noticed this leak. I got up a few times. I'm tired of doing.
You feel me?
I know I'm tired of salt.
Okay.
I am.
I want you to say something, you'd be sorry. Oh. You say it.
Oh boy, I'm tired.
I'm ready to eat. Okay, let me get a thumbnail picture. I'll take this off. Here's my chicken noodle soup, y'all. Chicken vegetable noodle soup. It's well seasoned. I've tasted it a couple times. And my soup is actually creamy. Put it on there. Okay. Okay, y'all, here's my savory, creamy chicken noodle soup. Look at that. All that goodness. I'll try to taste. Trying to get a noodle, a piece of chicken. It's hot. Comfort food for a nice snowy day like this. This is good. Don't need nothing but a good letting alone. Tasting the juice. Oh Lord. If it didn't have nothing in it but the broth, it's good eating. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. What time is it? 2:08 p.m. About to get my eat on, y'all. Okay. Y'all be blessed. Bon appetit. Bye.